This is lesson 5-2, the whole for fractions. Today we'll practice finding the whole when given a fractional part of a region. Let's look at these pattern blocks. If I have this red trapezoid and it's my 1/2, which of these shapes is my whole? I've come over to the eToolkit so that I can use these shapes to see which is the one whole. I know that I need 2 halves to make my one whole, and if I put them together in a certain way, I can see that my one whole is my yellow piece. So, if my red trapezoid is half, my yellow hexagon is my whole. Can you make a number model to go with that? 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole. What if the green triangle is 1/6? What's my whole? I know that it's going to take 6/6 to make my whole. So I'm going to take out 6 green triangles. And I know I'm going to need to put them together in some way so that they look like one of these shapes over here to see which one of those shapes is my whole. And I turn some of my triangles around and I fit them together, and look what I made. My yellow hexagon is my whole. Can you make a number model to go with this? I needed to add 1/6 6 times to get my one whole. What if this orange square is half? What's my whole? So, my orange square is half. I know 2 halves make a whole. So, my whole is simply these 2 orange squares together. It doesn't make one of these shapes. This is my whole. What if one orange square is 1/4? What would this be? And can you write an equation? We have 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Altogether, that's 6/4. Another way I can look at this, 4/4 make one whole. And in addition to the one whole, I have 2 more fourths. So, if one orange square is 1/4, this shape over here is 6/4 or 1 2/4. This is a mixed number. This is a fraction greater than 1 whole. Next, we're going to look at fraction circle pieces and talk about finding the one whole. Okay, with these fraction circle pieces, if the light blue piece is 1/3, which of these is my whole? Think about how many light blue pieces we need to make our whole. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. If I put these together, which shape do they look like? If the light blue piece is 1/3, which piece is my whole? And can you write an equation? 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 1 whole. If that light blue piece is 1/3, that means the pink piece is my whole. If the pink piece is my whole, what's a yellow piece? If the pink piece is my whole, it would take 2 yellow pieces to make the same shape as my whole. That means the yellow piece would be 1/2. If the pink is my whole, what is 1 light green piece? Let's see how many light green pieces it'll take to make my whole. Let's see. Not yet. Oh, let's see. I think I just made my whole. So let's see what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a light green piece would be 1/6 of my whole. What if this dark blue piece is half? What's my whole? So if that dark blue piece is half, I need 2 halves to make a whole. So let's see, what does this look like it could be? Looks like it could be a yellow piece. Yes, it is. So if a dark blue piece is half, my yellow piece is my whole. Today we practiced finding the whole when given a fractional part of a region. If a blue piece is 1/3, it takes 3 blue pieces to make my whole. That means the pink is my whole.